Hello everyone, I'm Viv. Welcome back to my channel Creativ Anaviv. Today I'll show you this beautiful yarn. Ice Yarns sent me. They sent me 2 packs of 4 skeins, and this is the code. Yeah, I will put the link in the description box below. And because this package is very noisy, I am going to show you. So this is 50% wool, 50 acrylic. They say this one, it calls for 6 millimeters knitting needles. It's 5 bulky or chunky. It has 100 grams, 134 meters, and I'm going to show you this yarn. It's so beautiful. So first I've made this. So now I designed for Ice Yarns, and I hope this pattern will be published soon on their website, and I will announce you. So please follow me on Instagram. It's creativ.anaviv, and I will tell you more when I'll know. Okay, so I designed this beautiful hat. This is one size, so this is the process of designing something. This one, it's another one. Yeah, it's bigger, a little bigger, because I have to try all sizes. Okay, so look how beautiful the yarn is, and I love this pattern. I dreamed about this pattern, and this yarn, believe me, it's perfect for this pattern. It's so beautiful, it's soft, it's amazing. Okay, I have something else here. I started a cowl, but I'm not sure anymore, so please comment down below and tell me first if you want a tutorial for this beautiful crochet hat. It's very simple, and you can make it even if you are a beginner. I will show you step by step, like always. So this is a cowl, but now I'm thinking about something else, and I made a gouge for this yarn, and I'm going to show you. So I worked the hat with 5 millimeters crochet hook, this one, and I'm going to show you. It's very beautiful and easy to work with, and yeah, I'm proud that Ice Yarns chose me. Okay, so I'm going to show you. You know what, let's make a test. You know, I like to test not only how I can work with yarn, but I want to see, I know already, because believe me, I tried this hat so many times. So I know already, but I want to show you if this yarn, it's good when you, let's say, you found a mistake or you have to frog it. Okay, so the moment of truth. Yeah, so it's good, believe me. I've tried some wool yarns, wool acrylic or wool only, and you can't frog it that easy. See, it's very easy to work with, and you can only believe me because you can feel it, but believe me, it's soft. It's very soft. what do you think? So please comment down below and tell me what do you think about ice yarns. If you tried the yarns already. Let's see. Yeah. So I can tell you that I love this yarn and I want more. I want in every color. So this color is called Rainbow, but as I told you before, so it's ambient, but I will add the link to this yarn in the description box below. So I'm so happy and I'm so proud, and why not? I want to brag because Ice Yarn sent me this beautiful yarn and I was able to design some beautiful pieces with their yarns. So please tell me if you like this beanie. It's not a slouchy beanie, but you can make it slouchy. You can follow this pattern and add more rows, but I like this one because it fits perfect on your head. And those bubbles, they are so beautiful. And if you already following me on Instagram, you already saw a picture with this beautiful beanie. But the colors, guys, I'm telling you, the colors are absolutely amazing. They are like rainbows. Yeah, it's a rainbow after all. Okay, so please tell me if you like it. Please tell me if you entered my YouTube giveaway. I have YouTube giveaway. I have 2 Instagram giveaways, and guess what? This week I will post another giveaway. So follow me. And of course, if you like this video, please like, share with your friends, subscribe, of course, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell near the subscribe button, so you are going to know when I'll post new tutorials and giveaways or reviews or unboxing. So I think that's it for today. Please comment down below and tell me if you like this hat and if you want me to film a tutorial for this beautiful hat. Be safe. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching my tutorials and my videos. And thank you for everything. Please be safe. Bye. See you later.